Welcome to Seven Kids Garage. Today we're going to work on my daughter's 2005 Buick LaCrosse. Okay, one of my daughter's cars. We bought it like this, not her fault. That's all jacked up, cracked here. This is all broken like they glued it or something. So 2005 Buick LaCrosse. Let's head to the junkyard. Oop. Looks like it. I think we got a winner. Okay, get this mirror off. We gotta take this off, which will pop off. But the one I found in the junkyard has two little tabs in here, so the whole panel will need to come off. Okay. So let's just check this, make sure it's the same as the other one. So yeah, that doesn't come off. So the whole panel will need to come off. It's actually pretty easy. There's two screws underneath this. It's just a little rubber thing. There's two screws here. And then back behind this panel, break it. One more back here. They're all 10 millimeters. Sorry about any wind noise. It's windy today. There's 3. Now, these are all out. Gotta pull these door clips. Once you get one started, it's kind of easy to get your fingers in there. Just kind of pull. Man, I should have taken the whole door panel from the junkyard. We got one more right here. There we go. Lift up. And this has to come off. I just popped right out of the one. There we go. And obviously there's still wires connected. But this gives us enough room to get these 3 screws and then this little wiring harness here. If you pull it out, there is a clip. I'll get you a little closer. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, there's a little clip, just lift that up. There you go. And then you just take these 10 millimeters out. One, two, three. There's a gasket or we have to take this window trim off. Nope. There we go. So here we go. Here's the gasket. Goes on the outside. So yeah, this is all these little parts are broken down in here. Let's get the new one. Okay, so you can see this foot out. I'm curious to know, we maybe have to pull this off to get the other one back in, but let's give it a shot. So, new one, I get the gasket. Let's take these nuts off. Okay, nuts are off. See if we can't get this one back in. Try to slide it right underneath this. Got it. Now I'll just come in from the inside, put one of these temporarily, just to hold it if I move you inside. Okay, let's just make sure this plug comes through. I think that'll work. Just get these other two in there. This way. Yeah, there's a little slot here and a slot there, slot and slot. Well, there we go. That's in there. And back there. Let's check, see if it works. Okay. I don't know if you can see that, but she's moving. I think we're good. Let's put her all back together. Get this back in. Kind of a pain in the butt. So there we go. Okay, you want to hang the top of the door. Up on top. Kind of, okay, my screws aren't lining up, so we got something out of whack. There we go. Just pop it. Go, we're all lined up. can also use a Torx for this too if you don't have a 10 mil. But it just was easy for me. And one more right here. And all you got is your 2 pieces of trim left. I remember where I put them. This one's easy, it just drops back in. Snaps into place. And we're done. Okay, a little bonus footage. Also, when we got here, this is all wobbly. If you open this up, it's all cracked, and they tried gluing it, but every time you tighten the screw, it just splits that. So while I was at the junkyard, I picked up a new one of these too. All that does is screw on there, and then you just got that little Torx jobber right there. Sorry for the shakiness. All right, now she's got a new rearview mirror. All set.